हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, आज हम लेके आए हैं सीबीएसई के कुछ पुराने बढ़िया वाले क्वेश्चंस मीन पे बेस्ड। और दीज क्वेश्चंस आर रिवर्स क्वेश्चन। रिवर्स क्वेश्चन मींस दिस टाइम मीन इज गिवन बट frequencies are missing. We have to calculate what is the value of p. So you know the simple method, class 9th direct method. First we start with fx. 21 into 4 84, 22p. Now multiply 23 into 18, what we are getting? 414. 24 into 6, 144 and 50. Now add all these. But remember, don't add 22p with numbers because 22p is totally different. So here we write 22p plus what we are getting? 692 plus 22p. This is sigma fx. Now what about sigma f? Again, sigma f is p plus 4 and 8, 22, 22 and 6, 28, 30. This is sigma f. Now you know the formula. First we write the formula, mean equals to sigma fx divided by sigma f. What is mean given to you? 22.8. What is sigma fx? We have calculated 22p plus 692 divided by p plus 30. Our aim is to calculate p. It means you have to cross multiply and get the value of p. So what we'll do? 22.8 into p plus 30 equals to 22p plus 692. If we expand it, what we are getting? 22.8p plus 30. So use rough column. 228 into 3. 2, 8. Check it again. Correct? 684. So here we write 684 equals to 22p plus 692. Our aim is to calculate p. So all p on one side. So this side we have only 8p and this side 692 means 8. Simple calculation. So p equals to 8 divided by 0.8. If we remove this, what we are getting? 10. So the missing frequency is nothing but p. Now one more question. But this time two frequencies are missing. But the total is given n equals to 20. Mean is given 2.9. Method is the same. First step, one more column for fx. 3, 2f1, 21, 4f2, 5 to 10. इसमें पता है मिस्टेक क्या है? सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक बच्चे क्या करते हैं? They add 4 and 21 and 3 and 10. No. We can't add 2 pencils and 4 pen with 50 rupees. Simple thing. So here you have to write 2f1 separate, 4f2 separate and numbers separate. 3 and 21 and 10. So 21, 31, 31 and 3, 34. Here we write 34 for sigma fx. N is given, sigma fx given, mean is given. Apply the formula, but first write the formula. Sigma fx upon sigma f. So sigma f is given to you 20 and this one is given to you f1 plus 4 times f2 plus 34 and mean is given 2.9. Cross multiply. 2.9 into 20 equals to 2f1 4f2 plus 34. Multiply these two. If you multiply by 10, it will 29. 29 into 2, 58 equals to 2f1 4f2 plus 34. It means if you shift 34 to this side, what we are getting? 8 minus 4, 4, 5 minus 3, 2 equals to 2f1 plus 4f2. Again divide by 2. What we are getting? f1 plus 2f2 is the first equation. f1, 2f2, 12. What is given to you? f1 plus f2. 3 and 7, 10, 11, 12. It means this 20 is nothing but f1 plus f2 plus 12. F1 plus F2 plus 12 is 20. So what about F1 plus F2? 8. So second equation, F1 plus F2 is nothing but 8 from this side. Now if we subtract these two, what we are getting like linear equation? If we subtract these two, we are getting F2 is 4. And when we have F2 equals to 4, you know from your linear equations chapter number 3, if we have two variables F1 plus F2 and it is equals to 8, then what about the second? Good. So F2 we substitute here in the first equation, F2 equals to 4. So 8 equals to F1 plus 4. So F1 is nothing but 4. So these are the two missing frequencies. Now one more important question is with the grouped data. An important point, two frequencies are missing, F1 and F2. You know the step deviation method, the best method. So the first step of step deviation method is we have to calculate mid value. So what is the mid value, class mark? 10, 30, 50, 70, 90 and 110. कैसे calculate किया था ना? Good. Now we have to calculate UI, and U means xi minus assumed mean divided by h. So first we have to take the assumed mean. We have two middle numbers. So which number we will take? Our choice. I will take 70 is assumed mean. So against the assumed mean, what we have to write? 0. Where data is decreasing, you may write -1, -2, -3, shortcut, -1, -2, -3, and here 1 and 2. If you have no idea about why we are writing this one, so see here, U equals to xi minus assumed mean divided by h. For example, xi is 10, A means assumed mean, divided by h means the gap, 20. That's why we are getting -3. But the shortcut is direct assumed mean, उसके सामने लिखो 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3. Easy. So save the time. Now the next step is FU. This U column multiplied by F column. 12 into 3, F1, 2F1, 27, minus 27, 20 into 0, 0. Be cautious, don't write 20. F2 and 12. Now we have to add the numbers only first. So numbers are 12, 27, 36. Minus numbers are, use rough column, minus numbers minus 36 and minus 27. That is minus 63. And you have to subtract plus 12. What we are getting? 51. Check it again. Minus 51 numbers. And minus 2F1 plus F2 is the total of sigma FU. Sigma F is first numbers 2 and 7, 9, 9 and 6, 15, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, that is 65, and F1 plus F2. Yes? Now, the mean is given to you, 56, and the total of n is also given to you, that is 100. So this is nothing but 100. It means if we solve it very simple, in the simple manner, what we are getting, the first equation, the important equation, F1 plus F2 is 35. Now when F1 plus F2 is 35 and this relation we have, now we can apply the formula of step deviation. The formula of step deviation is A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma F, that is 100, into H. H means gap, 20. This mean is given to you 56. So first we shift 70 to this side. So minus 4, 14 equals to 20, cancel out with 5, and here 2F1 plus F2 minus 51. Again cross multiply, minus 70 equals to minus 2F1 plus F2 minus 51. Minus 51 goes to this side. 2F1, F2, this will plus 51. So what we are getting? 19. Minus 2F1 plus f2. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. And you know, class 10th, our chapter number 3rd, how to solve linear equations in 2 variables. A revision for you. f1 plus f2, and here we write f1 plus f2 is 35 and 2f1 plus f2 equals to minus 19. When signs are same, we can subtract it. So if we subtract these two, what we are getting? 3f1 subtract means add 54. So f1 is nothing but 18. And in the linear equation, if you know the one variable, we can substitute in the any one of the equation. So f2 equals to 35 minus 18, that is 17. So first answer 18, second answer 17. Easy, but very important because these are the questions from the previous year's board papers. One more sum based on missing frequencies. हम ये ज़्यादा क्यों कर रहे हैं पता है? And if you have a base how to find out the missing frequencies questions, then it will be very easy for you in median and mode. So once again, first we have to calculate mid value 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. You have to take the assumed mean 50. That's why direct put 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 2. Because these gaps are same. That's why we can apply the shortcut method. Now the FU 0. 28 into 1, 28. 17 into 2, 34. 24 into 1, 24. F2 into 2, 2F2. Check it once again. Why we have taken this 50? Why we have taken this 50 as assumed mean? Because F1 multiplied by 0 will become 0 and we'll have one answer very fast. That's why. Okay. Now the formula. Mean is given to you. Mean is given to you 50. Mean 50. Given. So now 50 equals to A plus sigma FIUI. How we calculate sigma FIUI, you know very well. 34, 28 and 24. So it will be minus 4 and minus 38. Plus 2F2. Or any other thing? Nothing. So here we write minus 38 plus 2F2. Mean equals to A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma F, that is 120, and into H. H is, we have 20. So what we are getting, 20 cancel out. 50 equals to 50 plus 2F2 minus 38 divided by 6. If this 50 goes to this side, 0. 2F2 minus 38 by 6. Cross multiply. 2F2 minus 38, 0. So F2 equals to 38 by 2, that is 19. Now when we have F2 19, and then one more equation we have from here, F1 plus F2 is, tell me what is F1 plus F2, plus 24, 28, 17. 9, 6, check it again, 7 and 8, 15, 15 and 4, 19, 1 carry on, 2, 2, 4, this is nothing but 120. It means F1 plus F2 is what? Shift 69 to this side, 1. F1 plus F2 is 51, but we have F2 already 19. So put 19 here. F1 plus 19 equals to 51. So F1 is nothing but 51 minus 19. 2. Check it again. F1 and F2. In this way we have completed very important topic of missing frequencies when mean is given to you. कर लेंगे प्रैक्टिस और जिसके पास जितनी रेफरेंस बुक्स हैं उन सब से आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. So that now we have completed the first topic of the statistics, that is mean. मिलते हैं अगला टॉपिक लेकर के मीडियन का. करेक्ट. सो तब तक पढ़ते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए. टेक केयर. गुड बाय.